I've always been inspired by architect Zaha Hadid, so I decided to build a charcuterie version of her MAXXI museum in Rome. I'm starting the build with spreadable cheese and crackers. I'm using flatbreads, crisp breads, and breadsticks. If you're not familiar with the museum, it has an iconic shape with big angular blocks jutting out, and the words, "More than meets the eye," lit up on the side. Once the bottom structure is built, I enlisted a second set of hands to put the trapezoid structure on top. Then, time to decorate with meats, cheeses, seeds, nuts, and fruit. Since it's the holidays, I added a string lights from craisins and pumpkin seeds. And of course, a dusting of Parmesan snow. Writing the words with cheese was harder than expected, but overall, I think there's some resemblance. What do you think? Make your own edible architecture at ediblearchitecture.com.